Hello traders. Yesterday Dow Jones has closed at a positive note, even with the 1% gain. Even Nasdaq also positive note. And if you see the global market now, Nifty was trading at 49 percentage, 49 higher. Nikkei is showing some flat, and Dow Jones is also trading somewhere below 55 point. So whenever the market Dow Jones and Nasdaq is in the positive note closing, and the futures will come bit down, so that will be deciding the market trend of India. So considering Indian market, it will trading exactly on the support trend line support which I drawn yesterday, some between her. So most probably it will come down a bit, and it will may take support at this range, that is 2399 area, that is the previous month low. Some say 23992, 23992 area. Then it will be taking upper moves considering the global cues.